What's up guys, my name is Suicidal Grind, and you know what time it is. As you see by the title, what the fuck? I have money? I'm supposed to be a broke motherfucker. No, that's a joke. No, I've been committing tax fraud for the past weeks, so I could buy myself this. Fuck. Oops, I'm gonna cut it open. Now what this is, well, you know by the title, it's a keyboard that I bought myself. Because, I wanted one. As a box. So, what did I buy? None other than the SK560 Cherry MX Low Profile Red. This keyboard looks so fucking nice. Let's open it. Fucking more plastic that I need to cut open. I'm listening to my own songs, by the way. Not even narcissistic, they're just objectively good. Yeah, this is gonna be a keyboard that will be with me for a long time. A Cooler Master SK560, that's what this OSU player uses. Keep that in mind. For the future when I get fucking pro player and you wanna fucking be like, oh, what keyboard does this pro player Kim Suicidal Grind use? He uses an SK560 low profile Cherry MX Red keyboard from Cooler Master. Okay, no more keys, they fucking annoy me. Okay, so we have like 3 boxes, which is good because keyboard must be very good quality and must be very good condition when it arrives. But here we go. We don't go, actually. We will be cucked some more. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is so nicely packaged though. I appreciate the packaging. This is the cable. Let me see how decent it is. Decently long, that is. Okay, that's definitely gonna reach to, because I'm gonna either have it here on the or the underside of my table. Probably gonna have it here though. Like directly here. So, cable I put over there. Now let's see. Record macro. Okay, so pressing the Cooler Master key and F1, F2. Oh, this is good. I can change the red, green, and blue. Now, oh my fucking god! You get a fucking bag? This bag is so nice. Holy shit! Oh, this is like the nicest packaging bag I've ever seen. Oh! That fucking bag! No, we're not even gonna look at the keyboard, we're gonna look at the bag! Holy shit! That bag though! But now, here it is. The keyboard that is going to be lit! Quite literally. Oh my god, it's so nice! The keycaps! So this is a low profile red SK560 Cooler Master. The reason I got reds is because I am a speed player. Okay. Let me try this shit out, dude. And this is obviously when you wanna pick out a switch, you use this. I shall make better things for these. But let's plug this bitch in. One. Look at this. It's even got pink on the USB. This is literally the perfect keyboard for Kim. Because I am pink. Because I am gay. There we go. Oh my god, it's even got gold on the... I know this is probably tin, but still. A gold tint. Jesus Christ, let me just tell you what I bought this for. I bought these for €80. Oh yeah, dude! It's all pink. It's already what I want it to be. Basically, what was I gonna say? Wait, let me try to... That's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I could also place it up here, but that's gonna be in the way for my... And I also have a numpad. There's a numpad-less one, but let's go for the color modes. So, there's red. That's a good, nice red there. Orange. You know. Then we have... This is green. It's a little yellowish. So I will say it's yellow though. This is green. Blue. I love this blue. Oh my god. Light blue. And back to pink, which I'm gonna use. Oh wait, what? Yeah, it's good. Let me type something. Oh. I am not used to this keyboard. I will get used to it. But yeah, this keyboard cost me whopping €80. But it wasn't 43% sale, so originally you would buy this for... Do you guys even want to know? Originally this costs a whole €150. I know, it's kind of ridiculous how expensive it is originally, but I'm never gonna on this keyboard. I'm just gonna keep it and be nice to it. That's about it. Oh fuck yeah, we have to look at these modes. First we have this mode, which is glowy. Then we have, oh, this is good. This is that mode where you press a key and it does that. That's a nice mode. I love those. And then you have, oh, then you have a colored mode. Not sure what this mode is, but let's see what happens. Oh, it's just like whatever you have set up for the keyboard's, like, I guess, gaming setup. Oh, this is a cool setting. It's like water. That could be off. Or not, actually. It's the same thing here. It just goes like this. That's so nice though. Fuck yeah, dude. RGB, dudes. Then we're back to, well, this is quick mode, I guess. Where it's just, you know, like that, if you like that. It's this one. Nothing changes when you type on it. Oh, there's some fucking tape on it. It's just like a glowing. You have this mode, which does. Oh, this is the mode. You know, that one is so cool. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's nice. This one does colors. It's like RGB. That's neat. Well, that's more like one of these. So you play. Oh, caps lock. Oh, that's another mode again with the. It does it in intervals. This is another RGB, like, color mode. It goes in a spiral. How many fucking modes does this have? It has so many, dude! And you can change the color for every mode. One of these. Another fucking pressing the key mode. Okay, can I just... What the fuck is this? Another one of those modes. It's kind of cool. It's like a police car. Oh, the Windows key is what I keep hitting. Oops. Is that off? Yeah, that's off, I believe. I'm back to normal. Jesus, that was like 10 modes! You sure get a lot of stuff with this keyboard. Like, you don't get let down. That's nice as hell. Wait, what? Oh, Control E makes emotes on Discord. Neat. But hey, that's it. That's me reacting to a mechanical keyboard for the first time. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you.